How Google search engine works. Every day on the internet, millions of people around the world go straight to Google to ask questions. There are around 2 trillion worldwide searches every year, with Google search engine processing 63,000 search requests per second. But then, how is Google able to achieve such greatness? How does Google search engine actually work? Welcome to Ask Uncle Google. If you haven't done so yet, do well to subscribe to this channel because on a regular basis I post updates on everything to do with Google. Also, don't forget to share this video to others so that they are educated on anything to do with Google. As a result of its prominence, Google search engine is a very useful resource. If search engines like Google didn't exist, browsing the internet would be almost impossible. Google's search results are generated using an algorithm much like those of any other search engines. While Google discloses some generic information about its algorithm, the business prefers to keep the intricacies under wraps. This helps Google compete with other search engines on the internet and minimize the likelihood that someone will figure out how to manipulate the system. Like other search engines, Google makes use of programs known as spiders or crawlers. The index of keywords and places where they may be located on Google is similar to those of other search engines. As a consequence of its ranking system, Google is also able to present search results in a different format than other search engines. PageRank, a Google patented algorithm, provides a relevant score to each web page. Google gets its information from pages on the internet public databases, and different content available online. Search results are generated by Google in 3 simple steps. The first step is crawling. First, Google determines what sites are already on the web when someone puts anything into the search field. The list of websites on the internet is continually being updated since there is no central register for them. Google has already crawled certain sites and is aware of them. To learn about your dataset, the crawler or spider keeps track of all the keywords, web pages, descriptions, and so on. To provide better search results, the Google Spider would return to previously visited websites that the user has already seen. The second step is to index the data. The data on a page is understood by Google once it is detected. Google looks at the content on the site, such as videos, photographs, catalogs, and so on. Indexing is the term used to describe what Google is doing in order to ensure that the database is housed on the computer. This data is added to Google's index. Finally, the third step is the ranking. In order to provide the best results for a search query, Google first examines the indexed sites, language, location, device, and so on, which are all taken into consideration in this ranking process. It utilizes a computer program to determine the order in which pages should appear. This is how Google's simple yet complex process works to provide search results. I sure hope you enjoyed this short but informative video on Google. Please stay tuned for more videos in future. Regards.